Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the HP Envy 14-inch laptop that I have been using for the past 3 years. Now I'm prone on using the laptops which I get for a long period of time. Before that I was using a Toshiba satellite laptop which I had used for around 9 to 10 years. It was a pretty nice, interesting laptop which had a Core i7 and 3rd generation Intel Core processors. But in 2022, in January, I upgraded to the new HP Envy 14-inch laptop. That laptop was initially launched in 2021, but I got the laptop in 2022. I have been using this laptop for the past 3 years now. From pretty much everything I'm doing editing on this laptop, studying, researching, and also occasionally I'm using it for video editing, plus gaming. In 2022, I uploaded a review of this laptop, which you can find in my channel. And after that, I have been using this laptop rigorously for my day-to-day tasks. The performance has been pretty much nice because it is using a dedicated graphics card of NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti, which is pretty nice in doing most of the tasks. I've been using it to render, in Revit, and also I've been using it in AutoCAD to make 3D drawings and all that. Apart from that, for gaming, I have played GTA 5 in this laptop, and the gaming performance has been pretty nice. I have to say something about this laptop which I don't like. Number one thing is that it heats up pretty easily. Now, when you are using it for day-to-day tasks, sometimes fans don't open up and it starts to heat up pretty rigorously. Then I had to go to HP command center in order to open the cooling option and in order to make the fan run. This is one of the issues which I have been facing for the past 3 years, obviously. And number second is that the fan noise. Whenever it kicks in, whenever it heats up pretty much, then the fans kick up way too easily, and then they are like it's noisy everywhere. Now it's also running the fans. You can hear that the fan is running, so I pretty much have to put the computer to sleep in order to record this video. So therefore this is one of the reservations that I have. Number third thing that I had issue regarding this laptop is the fans easily can get damaged. Now HP Envy has the fans which is not market readily available. Since I had some issues with this laptop 6 months ago, when the fans randomly started to run way much faster, and the bearing of the fan was continuously making a weird noise which was not letting me to work. Because the body was shaking, the laptop's body was initially shaking, so it doesn't allow you to do day-to-day tasks. So therefore, when I asked one of the representative in Karachi regarding this laptop, they said that the fans are pretty much prone to damage in this laptop because HP Envy, most of the people have also faced this issue. So therefore, the fans, they have to import it from abroad. When I came to Saudi Arabia and I asked one of the representatives here, they said that yes, the fans have to be purchased from Alibaba, which is a Chinese company. You have to import it from China in order to put it. So these are one of the few reservations that I have. So if you are planning on buying an HP Envy laptop, you have to be sure about this thing, that the fans can easily get damaged. So this is one of the things that you need to be aware of, because the laptop is so light and thin as compared to other dedicated GPU laptops. It heats up pretty easily, and the chassis of the laptop is kind of a plasticky feel. Whenever you are using it, whenever you are carrying it, you can easily put a force on it, and it can get pretty much denty inside. So you need to be very careful about this thing. Apart from these cons, the performance of the laptops has been pretty nice. I have been using this laptop for almost all the tasks that I have put in on this laptop, and it was running pretty nicely. So these are the things that I wanted to share with you guys. And now there are many other laptops which have come into the market which are way better than this one. But if you are planning on getting this one, I would recommend, if there is an offer going on, you can still get this laptop, since it is featuring a 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor, which is pretty faster in 2025 also. So you can get it if it's there, but if not, I would recommend to get a newer version of the laptops, and we would recommend to go for the Pavilion line of laptops from HP, not the Envy line, because Envy line is expensive and the spare parts are pretty much not available. and you have to import it. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.